Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to join team on Royal Match. So let's get started. First, launch open your Royal Match game. Then tap on the team icon which is right next to home icon. Now tap on the search button. In the search bar, type in the team and perform your search. Now select the team that you want to join. Then tap on the join button. And this is how you can join team on Royal Match. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.